Understanding Credit, a beginner's guide to credit scores, reports, and their importance. Fatima Finds the Funds. Introduction. In today's financial landscape, it is more important than ever to understand credit inside and out. Credit influences many aspects of our lives, from buying a home to securing a car loan or even getting a job. But what exactly is credit? How does it work? And why is it so crucial? This blog post will break down the basics of credit, delve into credit scores and reports, and provide you with essential tips to start building your credit from scratch. What is credit? Credit is essentially the capacity to borrow funds with the commitment to repay them at a later date, typically with added interest. It also reflects a person's or organization's borrowing history and fiscal dependability. Credit involves the ability to obtain money or utilize services with the understanding that payment will be made subsequently. This system is predicated on trust, with lenders providing funds or services in reliance on the borrower's pledge of repayment. An individual's creditworthiness is commonly evaluated using two key instruments: credit scores and credit reports. What is a credit score? A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, typically ranging from 300 to 850. It is calculated based on several factors, including payment history, 35%, your track record for making payments on time. Late payments can significantly impact your score. Credit utilization, 30%. The ratio of your current credit card balances to your credit limits. Ideally, you should keep this ratio below 30%. Length of credit history, 15%. The age of your credit accounts. A longer credit history can positively influence your score. Types of credit, 10%. A mix of credit accounts, such as credit cards, mortgages, and installment loans, can improve your score. New credit, 10%. The number of recently opened credit accounts and inquiries. Opening too many accounts in a short period can lower your score. What is a credit report? A credit report is a detailed account of your credit history. It contains information such as personal information, your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Credit accounts, details about your current and past credit accounts, including loan amounts, payment history, and credit limits. Public records, any bankruptcies, foreclosures, or legal actions that may impact your creditworthiness. Inquiries, a record of companies that have requested your credit report, including those who have checked your credit for loan applications or pre-approvals. Credit reports are used by lenders to assess your credit risk when you apply for credit. You are entitled to one free credit report per year from each of the three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax.